local time is just past 10 a.m. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until we have arrived on the main captain Morris has switched off the seatbelt signs. If you can do so without unfastening your belt, you may now switch your devices off flight mode. Today we will disembark through both the forward and rear doors. Those customers disembarking through the rear door, you will be accessing the tarmac via stairs. Please do ensure that you hold onto the handrails as you disembark the aircraft and follow the directions of the Jetstar team to the terminal. The aircraft will be refueled shortly after our arrival on the base, so a reminder that you must not smoke, and although your electronic devices may now be used, we do ask that you do not actively use them as you move down the stairs and across the tarmac area. Take a moment now to look around you on the floor and in your seat pocket for any of your personal items. Do take particular care when you open overhead lockers, just in case